హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అలాగే పక్కనున్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని ట్యాప్ చేసి ఈ వీడియోకి ఒక లైక్ అనేది ఇవ్వండి.
अरे तुषार
Sorry, sir.
Hi.
hello everyone.
You're
Hi.
having trouble starting your live video. Why? Live and yours. Hey.
Hi everyone. Hello.
It's more like you're missing half in.
I'm like waving. Wave.
Hey
Wave.
everybody.
Hello everyone. How you all? Hope you all doing great and wishing you all a very,
Very
happy
happy
Bogi.
Bogi.
And wishing you all a very happy Sankranti. Hope this year brings you guys a lot of joy and happiness.
Lots and lots. Like we'll wait for 5 minutes for people to come. 2 minutes.
Okay, waiting for all you people to join. Come on. Let's do it.
More love.
Nats, can you just stop drinking coffee at least now?
No, waiting for people.
Everybody, all your fans knows that you love coffee. It's enough of promoting coffee now.
Not promoting, I'm drinking. Gaining energy to talk.
Enough of promoting your coffee. So what's up?
Hey everybody! So we're here to invite you all for our movie tomorrow. Alludu Adurs.
Yes, as you all know, Alluda this is releasing tomorrow on Jan 14th on the eve of Sankranti. I'm sure you guys will love it because it has a lot of entertainment in it, and I will assure you that you will come out with, from the theater with a big smile on your face and forget all your worries, all your tensions, pressures, everything, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy our movie. And please come and watch Alluda in theaters, and I'm sure you guys are gonna have
Theatres
lots
only.
of fun. Yes.
Theatres only and theatres only.
Because it's a theatrical experience film, so only enjoy it in theaters.
Yes.
So,
Any
to
questions
Janmina.
you guys want to ask?
Yes.
All the best, all the best.
Thank
Hearts,
you,
loves.
thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Waiting for the movie tomorrow. It's gonna come out
Yes,
tomorrow.
it's gonna come up tomorrow. So Nats, how was working on the film?
Huh?
How was it working on the film?
It was amazing. It was amazing. It was killer. It was damn nice. I loved it. Did you? Did you enjoy? Of
course.
Did you enjoy working with me?
Of course I did.
How much?
Little bit. Just kidding. She was such a sweet person, and she was super energetic on the set, and we had lots of fun shooting.
We did have a lot of fun.
And it was super fun working with her. As you can see, her energy, she was always flowing on the set, and she was always bringing that energy to the set, and it was great
I
working
was
with
just
her.
carrying it from him.
Really?
Yes.
But initially, I was driving it from you.
Hey, please.
I was always drawing the energy from you.
No, we probably kind of drawn each other.
All the best, guys. Thank you.
So many hearts, so many likes. So much love. కొంచెం
మాట్లాడండి.
ఏం మాట్లాడాలి?
మీరు ఎవరు నోబడీ ఇస్ ఆస్కింగ్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్.
ఏదైనా అడగండి మీరు అల్లుడు అతని గురించి. We have to actually go and scroll up and kind of see your. Yeah, now we can actually. Otherwise, we were just looking at ourselves.
Oh, that is the thing. Telugulo మాట్లాడండి. Love you guys more.
We decided to come live suddenly and we just came off. So.
బెల్లమ్మన టికెట్ ప్రైస్ పెంచేశారన్న. నో వే, టికెట్ ప్రైసెస్ ఏం పెరగలేదు బ్రదర్. ప్లీజ్ తప్పకుండా మిమ్మల్ని అందరూ అలరిస్తుంది. టికెట్స్ ప్రైస్ పెరిగినా పెరగకపోయినా ప్లీజ్ గో వాచ్ Alluda Adurs. Kannada Dali. Dali means?
Dolly means what? What
I don't
Dolly?
know. How will I know? I thought it's some.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ? ತೆಲುಗು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಾಳೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತೆಲುಗಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. Okay. So,
And మీరందరూ మా లిరికల్ సాంగ్స్ విన్నారా? ఐఎమ్ షూర్ యు నో
which is your favorite song?
my favorite song is Nadila Nadila and I like Padipoya song. It's damn cute melodies. At the same time, ఇప్పుడు రిలీజ్ అయిన దినకత కసక్రో
One, if you just like get up in the morning, which is the one which you probably will choose? One song.
maybe Hola Chica to bring the energy, I think.
Yeah?
Yeah, because Hola Chica, I think as soon as you hear it, పొద్దునే లేగంగానే ఒక ఎనర్జీ వస్తుంది. So maybe. So guys, please go and listen to all our songs. Which if you guys didn't listen to them,
Tell us which is your favorite song, no? You
yeah.
guys-
What do you guys like it?
Which one? We have like 5 amazing songs. One is Ola Chica.
One is
Another one is Alludu Adu Side
Style
Try, which is
Try.
my favorite. Because I've danced in it.
Of course.
And
So
third
did
one-
I.
You've danced in all the songs, okay? You've danced in Ola Chica, you've danced in Alludu Adu, you've danced in Nadila Nadila, you've
Right.
danced in Dinakta Kasakru. That also you've danced. I only danced in one. That's why it's my
Why
favorite.
Nadira also you dance?
Little, that also like with one hand, no? Nadila Nadila. And then we have Nadila Nadila, and when we have Padipoya Padipoya, which is
And Hola Chica.
everyone saying Ola Chica Ola Chica.
Yeah, I know. Everybody likes Hola Chica. I told you right. It's trendy. It's the upbeat. It's the next level.
This Alludu Adu song is nice, it seems. Thank you, Manideep.
Pika.
Manideep, yeah. Thank you so much.
All songs are so beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you for liking all our songs. If any of you guys didn't listen to them, please go listen to all our beautiful songs composed by the
I
one and
love
only
all the
rockstar
songs.
DSP. Thank you so for
Nadila
giving us such
Nadila
an
song.
amazing album.
Laudi Chauhan, somebody.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Hello everyone.
Meghna is saying that you worked really hard
Huh?
in your account.
How sweet. Thank you so much, Meghna. So sweet of you.
So, tell me what was your tell me what was your really
But really what? Huh.
tell me more about the movie, na? Which was the best part for you, like to shoot?
I think the best
Songs
part was
or
shooting, 100% songs, action, all of them we liked it, and even the one which the entertainment thing, me trailer user and a horror episode untadi. That horror episode also came out really well. It has a lot of entertainment in it, and it is really fun to do such scenes. It was fun actually. It was challenging also in a way because it's not so easy to
I
pull
wish
it off.
I'd seen live while you were doing it. It looked so much fun.
I know.
I was not there, no?
It was, but it was not so much fun seeing it. I'm sure about it because it was so
Hard to
much,
play.
yeah, and
Hard to play.
I had to think a lot, how to bring it, It was tough, but I enjoyed it. As you know me, I love challenges.
You do. And
So, what did you like? Which was your favorite scene?
my favorite scene.
I mean, like, what was your
Thing.
favorite scene, and what did you really like performing it?
I really like playing this character because it has a different kind of things, and like I keep saying that I've done drunk scene for the first time.
Yeah, that was fun actually.
I was super excited to play that, and I really enjoyed playing it on.
And you really pulled it off nicely.
I did.
Do you have any experience drinking?
Little
Personal
bit.
experience?
Yeah.
You
little
have?
Little bit.
Oh, you drink?
Little bit.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like wine or something. Everybody does. So,
I never knew this.
and I really liked all the songs. I really liked most of the stuff.
Nice. So how was it working with Sonu Sood sir, Prakashat sir, and we have a lot of artists in that movie.
It was so much fun.
Yeah, I
working
mean,
with
and
everybody.
the moment you came to the set, you had to tell hello to everyone on the set.
Guys, there used to be like thousands of people on the sets. Okay, so every time you walk into the set, you just like it used to take me at least 2 hours to go and personally say hi to everybody, wish them, and come back to my. Then halfway through the interview, like, madam, shot ready. Like, sir, I'll come back. Okay, I'll come back. We'll continue that. It just will.
No, because
It was a celebration, like the whole.
yeah, it was like actually appa nijanga Sankaranti. It was like Sankaranti for us every day on the set because
Yeah, it was.
there
It
was
like
so
a
many
pandana,
people on
yeah.
the set, and we all used to have a lot of fun. You know,
Yeah.
shooting all the scenes,
Yeah,
and it was fun.
it was a lot of fun. In fact.
Yeah, Sonu Sood sir also.
It was actually a big privilege to
Yeah.
even like meet him and
exactly, you know.
the kind of work he's done is like.
Yeah,
oh,
I mean, all through the pandemic, as everyone know, the kind of work and the kind of, you know, what all dedication and his commitment towards people also is very commendable. And hats off to him. You know, it's very rare that people will actually reach out, you know, to helping
and
each
to
other.
do it continuously.
Yeah, yeah.
To do it continuously so selflessly throughout, and even now he's continuing to do that. So.
It's very sweet of him, and glad we have privilege to work with him.
And also I think like Prakash Raj sir too, I really enjoyed working because I've been like a huge fan of him, and he's a Kannadiga too. If you've observed on the set, we used to
I know.
always sit and
You
talk
both used to talk on Kannada.
Kannada fully all the time. People were like, oh, Kannada people. And you know what? It was so sweet of him. The first schedule, he sent me home food. The Kannada kind of food
Oh.
every day for about like the first schedule we shot in the house na.
Oh, yeah,
The
yeah,
fight
yeah.
sequences and everything. He used to
Oh,
send me,
sweet.
he used to send me filter coffee and all that.
Arey wah, nice.
You didn't know
So
that,
sweet
no?
of him. No, I didn't.
Very sweet of him.
But
Because-
for me, it was a very enriching experience because I worked with him in Aludu Sinu and again worked with him in this film.
yeah.
It was always a treat watching him, you know, performing on set. Even though I had a free time, even though I didn't have my shot, I used to just sit before the monitor and watch him performing. It was always, and you know, he's like an encyclopedia of acting.
Oh yeah. Oh god.
And you know, learning from him is always a great experience. It's a treat to watch him actually performing.
Eh. Sorry, Chappandi Kannada.
How is your
Telugu.
role going to be? Everybody's asking how is your role
My
going
role
to be
is
in
going
the
to
movie?
be super fun. చాలా ఎంటర్టైనింగ్ గా ఉంటుంది. చాలా మీకు నచ్చుతుంది. మీకు నన్ను అలా చూసి చాలా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారు. Because they're asking me to speak in Telugu.
Oh, sweet. They're asking, you're very hardworking, ma'am. Even though your hand got broke, you came and worked.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Hats off to her dedication. You know, it's not so easy. You know, she went under major surgery, and even post that, working on a movie set is not a small thing. And especially we were shooting in Kashmir. It was freezing cold, and it was super cold. And in spite of all that, she could, you know, handle it, and it shows her dedication and her commitment towards cinema.
Thank you.
Nabba, hope you reach greater
Sir,
heights.
Sir, thank you, sir. Sir, thank
जीते
you,
रहो,
sir.
जीते
Thank you,
रहो,
sir.
जीते
Thank you,
रहो,
sir.
जीते रहो.
సార్ మీరు బాలీవుడ్కి వెళ్తున్నారు
जीते रहो, जीते रहो. जीते रहो.
సార్ ప్లీజ్ సార్ రిమెంబర్ సార్
ఊరికండి టైం పాస్ చేస్తాం సెట్ లో సరదాగా టైం పాస్ చేయాలని చేస్తాం.
See, somebody is saying, see them. Love you, Annaya. Please reply, it seems.
Hi Sasi.
Thank you. You guys, if you have any questions for both of us, please do ask.
Yes, please shoot. Bring it on.
Sir, please
Bring it
do
on.
suspense thriller
Bring it
movies
on.
that suits you.
Bring
and-
it on.
Kishore is saying,
Huh.
sir, please do suspense thriller movies that suits you.
I did one. Please go watch Rakshasudu.
Everything is valid.
Of course, I will do it. I love to do thriller films, but if I get the right script, 100% for sure.
కరోనా వస్తుంది మీకు బాగా లేదు ఏం లేదు
కరోనా అయిపోయింది. కరోనా
థియేటర్స్ కి మీరు మాస్క్ వేసుకుని శానిటైజ్ చేసుకుని అన్ని దే వుడ్ హావ్ శానిటైజ్ ద ఎంటైర్ థియేటర్
And they're going to do it after every show.
ఎవ్రీ షో తర్వాత శానిటైజ్ చేస్తారు. మీరు వితౌట్ ఎనీ హెజిటేషన్ ఆర్ ఫియర్ మీరు వెళ్ళి
హ్యాపీగా
చూడొచ్చు.
సినిమా చూడొచ్చు, మీరు ఎంజాయ్
ఎందుకంటే
చేస్తారు.
ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ ఆల్టర్నేట్ సీట్స్. Like
Exactly.
there is nobody sitting next to you. Miru, without any tension, you can happily enjoy the theaters. How many days you'll watch the movies in the house? Please come to the theater and watch.
ఇంట్లో ఫుడ్ ఏనండి. రెస్టారెంటే మీరు బిర్యానీ ఎంత ఇంట్లో చేసిన ఇంట్లో బిర్యానీలోనే ఉంటది. బయట బిర్యానీ కావాలంటే లెట్స్ గో వాచ్ అల్లుడు అదుర్స్ ఓన్లీ ఇన్ థియేటర్స్. ఇంతకంటే ప్రమోషన్ మేము చేయలేమండి. Koro, sir, say my name, please.
Say his name.
Hi, Murali.
Jaya Janaki like movies expecting from you, sir. Krishna.
Yes, hopefully very soon.
Mari, how is shooting in Kashmir?
Wow.
Priyanjana. It was so beautiful. Kashmir is so beautiful. You guys must go.
I'm never going to visit Europe. I'm telling you after visiting Kashmir.
You're
never.
Not?
It's so beautiful place.
So beautiful, yeah.
And I really loved working in Kashmir, and it was a great experience. And I bring back so many memories. Actually, chala memories inti తీసుకెళ్తున్నాను. And but it was super cold. It was super cold. మేము actually చెప్పాలంటే it was snowing. It was actually snowing.
Yeah, very badly.
And our hands and our feet were actually freezing. And we had literally put hot water అన్నమాట పక్కన. ఒక బకెట్ లో హాట్ వాటర్ పెట్టేవాళ్ళం. We used to do the shot, and once the shot was done, immediately iddaram velli we used to put our hands and feet,
remove all the socks and everything, put hands and
feet in the hot water, and then then our hands used to be normal. Again we used to go to the shoot, again it used to freeze. It was so tough to make
after
it.
Like there was a time first day, remember, like we didn't know all this trick, okay, that we could do putting in the hand with the hot water and all that. Our hands were literally frozen. Lunch time lo తినడానికి వెళ్తే తినడానికి అవ్వట్లేదు.
Our hands were not working. Our hands were literally not working. It became so numb that literally hand panjiradu.
My chicken piece literally fell off from my hand. Like, where is the chicken? It literally fell. But beyond all that, it's beautiful. It's beautiful and beauty.
And the visuals which we could get from was amazing. I mean, the output what we got from the Kashmir song is amazing. Yeah, Kashmir is a fantastic place. Like how Rohit is saying, yes, it is a beautiful place.
Yeah.
Trust me, after seeing our song, I'm sure you're gonna fall in love with Kashmir. I'm sure, and you feel like visiting Kashmir for sure.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah. And we started our year also shooting in Kashmir, so it was a great experience for me. Alludu and Chandni, it seems. Ma'am, do you play
Among Us? What?
I was like, for some interesting question I was reading, then Among Us, I was like, okay, stop it.
మరేంటి ఇంకేంటి సమాచారాలు? ఏం చేస్తున్నారు అందరూ సంక్రాంతికి? భోగి ఈ రోజు భోగి కదా, ఏం చేస్తున్నారు?
అందరూ ఎలా సెలబ్రేట్ చేస్తున్నారు భోగిని? Okay, damn nice. Okay.
మూవీలో దయ్యం ఉందా అన్న? మూవీలో దయ్యం ఉందా అన్న?
హారర్ కామెడీ ఉంది.
రండి చూడండి రేపు.
దయ్యం ఉందో లేదో వెయిట్ ఇట్ ఫర్ టుమారో.
మొత్తం సంక్రాంతి ఫీస్ట్ అన్నమాట. ఏం కావాలి అన్నీ ఉంది మన మూవీలో. హ్యాపీ భోగి అందరికి. ఐ లవ్ యూ టూ. What else?
What's happening? Who plays main role in the movie?
Sir,
everybody plays the main role in the movie. Kodalu Adurs anta. Yeah. Kodalu Adurs.
All Nabha and Bellamanna fans waiting for the movie.
Yay.
Only one evening to go.
Tomorrow, waiting. Tomorrow is the big show.
Repu.
Hello. Tell me, sir, when will you come in Kolkata for shooting? For sure, very sure.
Kolkata is actually a beautiful place.
Very beautiful place, and I really love the food in Kolkata.
I love the buildings in Kolkata.
Oh yeah.
The old ones, they're very pretty.
True.
చూస్తున్నప్పుడు ఇంకా చూడట్లేదు, నేను చూడట్లేదు, మీరు చూసారు ఆల్రెడీ మూవీ. ఎలా ఉంది అనిపిస్తుంది మీకు?
చాలా బాగా అనిపించింది నాకు. చాలా బాగా అనిపించింది. Hey, Chhatrapati remake eppudu. Very soon. We're starting shooting from next month. I'm reading your comments. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, actually it's fine. They're all both are the same. They're actually, in fact, in mine they're all putting for you.
जिंदगी में तुम्हें एक बार मिलना चाहते हूँ.
These all Hindi fans have come off.
Sir. Anna?
అన్న మీరు చాలా హ్యాండ్సమ్ గా ఉన్నారు అంట ఎవరో.
Thank you.
హార్దిక్.
Thank you, Hardik. Thank you so much.
తిన్నావు
మళ్ళీ ఆకలేస్తుంది.
మళ్ళీ అట్లనే. You guys, what
All right,
else?
guys.
Yes.
Really so nice talking
It
to you
was
all.
super fun talking to you
We
all.
just wanted to say a big hello to you all, and once again wishing you all a very happy Sankranti. Please go watch Alluda this tomorrow in the theaters and take all the necessary precautions like using the sanitizer, tarachuga sanitizer vatam, and at the same time please wear a mask and please go to the theaters and enjoy our movie.
Yes.
And I'm sure you gonna మీరు లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ పడ్డ టెన్షన్స్ ప్రెస్ అన్ని మర్చిపోయి మా అల్లుడు సినిమా చూసిన తర్వాత యూ గైస్ ఆర్ గోనా థియేటర్ నుంచి బయట రాని ఒక కొత్త ఎనర్జీతో మళ్ళీ యూ విల్ స్టార్ట్ దిస్ ఇయర్. సో కమ్ అవుట్ విత్ న్యూ ఎనర్జీ అండ్ లెట్స్ కిల్ దిస్ ఇయర్. షూట్ ఇట్ యూ ఆల్సో సే సంథింగ్.
Bye guys, I'll see you in the theaters.
అరే వా
I'll see you in the theaters.
స్టార్
Please do not forget to come and meet me in the theaters
అబ్బో
from tomorrow.
ప్లీజ్ ఆల్ అబ్బా ఫ్యాన్స్ ప్లీజ్ గో అండ్ మీట్ హర్ అమ్మ రైట్ ఇన్ థియేటర్స్ లో అంట కలవండి. ఖుదాఫిజ్.
We'll save it. Take yours.
How to stop this? Off this.
Wait, yeah, I'm also figuring out.
Off this, Nats.
Take.
Bro, నేను చేసేదానండి.
కనిపిస్తున్నాం.
మామూలు చేసేది.
This cancelling.